Hi everyone, welcome listen to OIGX live streaming. It's Chantel from OIGX team. Today I'm going to show you China's imported pork market in May. So first of all, let us see the import volume released by China's customs. In this page, you can find the major meat product imports in April. According to GECC's nearest update, 230,000 tons of pork and pig offal products arrived in China in April. This data is approximately the same as in April last year, with only a 1% decline. The average CAF price is $2,387 per ton, a 12% increase from last April. Almost all average CAF prices have year-on-year increases for different costs of products. Some data show an exaggerated change because the import volume of last year was too minor to compare, such as frozen livers. The first three products classified by HS code are other frozen pork, other frozen edible offal of swine, and frozen shoulder, hams, and cuts of swine with bone-in. Pig fat found the most year-on-year increases of 42% in its CAF prices. Pork is the most consumed meat category for Chinese, compared with beef, chicken, mutton, and others. This chart is for recent 5 years volume and source countries. Spain, US, Brazil, Netherlands, Canada, Denmark, Chile, France, UK, and Ireland as the top 10 countries exporting pork and pig offal products to China. In China, domestic pork market has a significant impact on trend in imported one. Now focusing on domestic market, China's pig market is still going through a slump with all year-on-year decreases in pig carcass, live pig, and wholesale pork. The market struggled with an excess supply of pig carcasses, exacerbating consumption pressure in the short term. Hold ties with the domestic market, the import market wasn't doing well either. Here list the prices of four main products in May. Prices are listed at the average transaction ones from different plants and countries. Although prices declined in futures and spot products and the bargaining room increased, the trading volumes don't look well and pork products were only sold in small quantities. The average price of pig head declined by around $250 per ton, even lower than prices in New Year. Besides, reduction in spot prices of pork front feet and hind feet can be 500 yuan per ton. The price advantage of overseas pork gradually disappeared. The price of imported frozen pork products remained higher than that of domestic ones amid increasing overseas pig selling prices, especially from Europe, and historical low domestic prices. Even the sales volume of domestically produced fresh pork was unsatisfactory, further impacting the sales of imported frozen products. In the spot market, Chinese buyers reported incurring losses due to insufficient demand to absorb the high inventory at cold stores and the slow capital flow. Looking at inventories, we can find inventories of all categories surged mainly because of insufficient Chinese consumer demand, especially for beef. Consumption downgrade in off-season makes it difficult for sales, particularly for oversupply of live pigs in Chinese domestic pork market and upside-down price gap of some products between domestic ones and imported ones. As domestic pork influx into the market, more and more imported pork jammed in the cold stores at ports, waiting for an opportunity in holidays and probably in second half of the year to sell good price like imported beef. So here's the brief conclusion for recent pork market to China. All contents are in our monthly report. If you want to get this, please contact us via overseas oigcn.com.